because I brought it to Australia. So this is the camera. I never see myself vlogging in public. I did this without any shout out, without any collaboration.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, today guys. So you all see the title, you all see the thumbnail, so you definitely know. So we hit 10,000 subscribers. Yes, man. So my beautiful people, give thanks for being a part of this journey. You know what I mean? YouTube is a passion of mine. I loved it. I love filming. You know, if you don't know, I love music. And this video is getting to know me a bit more. Oh, I started YouTube and I began to do videos on YouTube. 10,000 subscribers might seem like a small amount to most people, because you know, it's like when you reach over the 100k, that's when it's like a big achievement. But for me, this is an achievement because, you know, YouTube is hard and figuring out YouTube is not easy and getting a viral video is not easy, you know. So I give thanks so far on the journey and what I've learned, you know. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, you all are here with me, so you definitely want to hear my story, yeah, before I got started and, you know, the journey. Yeah, so definitely YouTube, I used to be on YouTube pretty much, you know, when I got internet, because there was a time where I didn't have internet at my house and used to buy this card where they call it decal card, and we used to have, me and my brother used to go to this gas station every day we have to connect to the Wi-Fi there and use the decal card to get the internet, you know what I mean, and every day we download music and watch movies. And yeah, so that's where I started watching YouTube from. And then, you know, I was able enough to, you know, could I hook up floor at you know, the house and thing, and, you know, started watching YouTube a lot. And, you know, my first vlogger that I got introduced to, which I think a lot of people got introduced to back then, was Shabas TV. You know what I mean? Shabas, if you don't know, Shabas is the GOAT for the Caribbean vlogging. He was the one that really started vlogging in the Caribbean and who really made a name, made world star and all of that, you know what I mean. So got influence from there. And then my second influence was a Canadian YouTuber by the name Last LeBlanc. Yeah, and that guy, his videos were mainly filmed in like Asia, you know, from the Philippines to Vietnam to Thailand, those places. So when I used to watch his videos, he would teach people how to do YouTube and all of that too, and oh, he quit his job to start YouTube and all of that. So then and there I was like, wow, this is amazing, you know. But I was just like a fan of them, watching them. But how I really got into YouTube now is, if you don't know, I'm a recording artist. I'm a singer or DJ, as we would say in Jamaica, you know what I mean. And so basically doing my music and, you know, started to invest in myself as an artist. And the first thing that I did was I bought a camera to make music videos, because my engineer, which is my friend, you know, he record my songs, mix my songs, and he also does editing. He can do music videos. And I was like, you know what, I think it's a good idea we get a camera, because he knows how to edit videos. So but we don't have a camera, so I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna purchase a camera. And that's exactly what I did. And here we have it as well, because I brought it to Australia. So this is the camera. Can you guys see? Let me see, focus. Yeah, so this camera, it's not working now, to be honest, but the reason why I keep this camera is for memory, to show the journey of when I really started. So this is a Nikon D50-100. So some of the buttons are even missing. It's not focusing, but some of the buttons are even missing on this camera. But this is the camera that I started out with. For a lot of people, this is a big camera, you know what I mean. This is like quality. But when I bought this camera, as I said, I bought it to do music video, and I got one official music video out of it that my friend recorded and edit for me.
We say youths for your things, house and land. Car and van, enough got the money, don't got the money. Enough got the money, don't got the mind. Me nah give a drink, me a gear start in a life. If you come back, I beg that mean you know why the youths them dirty. Enough criticize when the youths them clean, them come and sympathize. Them say me a the done from Portland, but this I nah do not know where wrong. For rich people me sit down, for poor people me stand. I nah mix up with dirty Babylon. Am I right, am I wrong? I mean, say youths for your things.
And we did a couple freestyle video where he edit them for me as well. But at one point, like months have passed and weren't using the camera. I was asking him to, you know, let's go make a music video, you know, and he was like, he's busy, you know, because he was in college at the time too. So, you know, he didn't have the time to continue doing music all the time or doing music videos. So, and I was like, I have this camera that I pay 50,000 Jamaican dollars for, because when I bought it, it was still a second-hand camera. It wasn't a new brand camera, you know. So I was like, I have this camera put down every day. I'm not doing nothing with it, you know. Me just only know for press record and stop. And then I was like, you know what? I'm watching all these vloggers every day. Why not try it, you know? And even in the first place, like, I did lack confidence a lot, where I could not, I don't even know how it happened, to be honest, but I never see myself vlogging in public. Where I remember when I started, trying to just put the camera in front of my face just to say, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, this is what I'm doing today. Like, literally, like, I would premeditate what I'm saying, and then as I turn on the camera and press the record button, I completely forgot what I wanted to say. You see me? So YouTube for me is something that I had to practice, like a little baby starting YouTube. You see me? So I did lack a lot of confidence. If someone see me just, for example, if I have the camera like this and someone just looking at me, I'm very speechless. A word can't even come out of my mouth. You get me? So it took me a long time to get that confidence where I could actually speak in front of someone while someone else is there, while I have the camera in my hand. You know, so music was the first thing that really, you know, brought me out of my shell, you know, from being shy. You know, when I realized that people actually love my music, love my talent, that's when I started like feeling like, you know, I can do this, you know. So it's kind of like the same for YouTube, where, you know, when I started gaining the passion for it, you know, got influenced by these YouTubers, and, you know, all of these things just come into play where, you know, I would use it to promote my music. So, you know, there was a drive there, you know. These days I don't get to do YouTube as often because, you know, work and family life and trying to balance everything, you know. It's not every day you get up and want to film something. Even when you want to film something, the energy is not there. So, you know, it's just in between times I do videos nowadays. But yeah, YouTube is, I love it, but I hate it at the same time, you know. So it's a love-hate relationship with YouTube. Yeah, but yeah, with that being said, you know what I mean, it was very hard to put the camera in front of my face. You know, it's over time that really, and even though I'm still very, you know, shy at times, or, you know, it's just like my mood shifts in sometime. But I feel like the more I do it, I get out of that. You get me? So yeah, I'm still trying to break the ice. You get me? So every day I do this more and more, especially when I go out in public, you know, vlogging. It helps me. You get me? It helps me because social skill wasn't a thing for me. You get me? Talking to people wasn't really a thing for me. I am the type of person that don't speak unless spoken to. That's me. You get me? So YouTube, music, they both combined together has really made me the person who I am today. Yeah. those two things combined together really push my confidence. Yeah, so yeah man, I love it. I said to my friend, so well, you know, teach me how to edit. And him said to me, so well, he actually can't teach me how to edit because I don't have the basic understanding of editing, you see me? So he said to me, so well, it's best me learn or get the understanding of editing first, and that's what I did. You know, I went on YouTube and I just started learning how to edit without even having a software. Then the first thing we downloaded was Filmora, and it was just a free version. So when you edit the video, export it, you have this big watermark in the screen that says Filmora. So it's like very distracting if you should upload a video. And that's when I went back to him and I said, you know, if he can teach me. And he was like, well, definitely, because you know I have some understanding of researching, and you know, and then he gave me this editing software called Adobe Premiere Pro, which is for professionals. And I said to him, so this look very complicated, and he said to me, so well, these are the best thing to start off with, because this is what professionals use to make music videos and all that. So if I learn this, there's nothing can stop me pretty much, you know. So it's a great software, but my computer was very slow for that, you know. And using Adobe Premiere Pro, you have to have a powerful computer, and my laptop was just freezing, you know. So that was one of the things that limit me from actually learning, you know, to go the full length of learning Adobe Premiere Pro, you know. So yeah, that's really good software to use if you want to get creative, you know. What I'm using right now is just Filmora, you know. It's pretty easy to edit with and all of that. But yeah, maybe in the near future, if I want to do this on a different level, definitely Adobe Premiere Pro, and there's another one I can't remember the name that they use as well for professional filmmakers. The reason why I even do it too is because I was like, you know what, I see that you can have an audience by doing this. So my plan was to do YouTube to gain an audience for my music, you know. So that was the whole aim behind starting a channel, and that's what I did. And then started doing, so I create my channel, and then I start making some little videos and some little freestyle video me then put up on it, and they weren't getting the views or anything like that. So then I see people uploading people's video, and then I was like, you know what, why not try doing the same thing. Started uploading people's video until my video got copyright claimed. Then I got YouTube strike because I didn't understand the policy and how YouTube really works. So I started getting strikes. Then I lose my first channel. Then I was like, should I really do this, you know? And then say, you know what, I'm gonna start the next channel again. Start the next channel, start doing it again, till to the point where me get fed up. I mean, I don't even know what to do anymore, you know. And then I realized there was a thing going on Instagram which is called sub for sub, where you would I don't remember exactly how that works as well, but basically you would put like a hashtag when you're uploading a video or a picture on Instagram, and you put your hashtag sub for sub YouTube or whatever, and then people DM you and saying you have a channel, I'll subscribe to you, and you subscribe to me, and you have to send screenshot of you subscribing to their channel, and they'll vice versa, they do the same. But what would happen a lot of the time is that people will go over to subscribe, and then after a day they unsubscribe, so you'll see your subs go up, and then all of a sudden the next day it's gone, you know. So people only subscribe because it's like a support system, but they're not actually watching your channel, so you're not really getting views, they're just subscribing. So that wasn't working. I couldn't figure it out either, you know. And I think I deleted the last channel because I was like, I was fed up. I'm not gonna do this because it just wasn't working. And then I decided, so you know, like months again have passed, and I decided, so you know what, I kind of understand it more after watching a lot of videos now, and I decided, so I'm gonna start another channel. Trust me guys, One of my first channel is called Capital Adventure. Yes, today you're here with your boy Africa. Welcome back to another episode, Capital Adventure.
Another one.
Today I'm taking you guys fishing with me. Let's go now. Which that channel is no longer exists. You see me? But the last channel I start, which is this channel, which is the Island Boy Africa channel, which I started it in 2018. Yeah, so this channel I was like, you know what, I will give it one more chance and see if I can, you know, push this channel. And then, you know, started uploading. I decided that I'm not gonna upload nobody's content anymore. I'm just gonna upload my content, you know. So I started like doing videos with my friend that records my music and things like that, and record video with my brother, and when I go fishing I go record videos and things, you know. Pretty much the rest is history. You know, I've had a couple of viral videos. One of the first video that I actually got good views on was a video of riding my bicycle through Port Antonio, and that video got like 21k. It just started taking off. That's why it started giving me the subs first, you know. And then the second video that really went big was the video of when my wife came to Jamaica the first time, I believe. That video, someone shared it in a Facebook group, and when the person shared it in the Facebook group, all this, what you call it, just these comments were just coming in. When I look on my YouTube channel, I saw I got 1,000 views in 24 hours, and I was like, where are these views coming from? I don't understand how this video is blowing up, you know. And then I sourced it on Facebook and realized who shared the video. A guy shared the video to a Facebook group, a Jamaican Facebook group, and people were just like, there was lots of good comments and there were lots of bad comments, you know, pertaining to our relationship and things like that. But that's when I realized that, oh shit, you can actually share your video in groups. And that's when I started joining every Jamaican group, and that's when I started sharing all my videos in the Jamaican groups. And from that, I see every video start going up. Every single video that I post into the Jamaican groups, till they start rejecting the videos. The people that own the group started tossing out till I got reported, and I got banned for like temporarily banned, and then I start doing it again when I got freed again. I got freed again, I started doing it. So that's what really gave me the views and the subscriber, was the Facebook groups, you know. So from that day, you know, I started pushing the channel, and you know, 10,000 subscribers, that might not seem like a lot to most of you, but to me it's a lot, because I did this without any shout out, without any collaboration, just purely, you know, pushing the videos, just purely you guys help, you know, sharing the videos, trying to find different content, you know, doing fishing, doing some walking videos, you know, my journey to Australia, a whole heap of things have happened during this time, during this YouTube journey. So, you know, 10,000, I give thanks, I really appreciate it, and it can only get bigger from here, you know. The viral video that gave me 4,000 plus subscriber is the video of a lady giving me $15 fishing, and that video gave me almost 400k views and 4,000 plus subscriber. So that video alone almost bring me halfway, and that video also gave me my biggest paycheck on YouTube. And let's also get back to, as I mentioned, paycheck. YouTube, for me, when I started it, I wasn't thinking about money out of it. I was just thinking about pushing my music, as I said. So when I start putting out videos, and I realized that I got monetized, which I didn't even understand YouTube at the time about watch time and 1,000 subscribers. I just know that I was just putting out videos to try gain an audience. You see me? So when I got monetized, I was like, oh shit, you know, I got monetized. I didn't even know. So I am putting out my bank details and things like that, and continuously uploading video after I got monetized. You know, I remember one day I didn't have much money at all, and I think I was going to the bank to draw out the last $1,000 or something like that. You know, and when we went to the ATM, I'ma check my account. Me see like 21,000. I mean, I say 21,000. How comes 21,000 in my account? I mean, me know say the last time I checked, me have like $1,000 left in my account. And so I say, no, so this real? So I say, me not gonna take out the 1,000, but me know it in there. I say, me gonna try draw $5,000. When I try it, I see the money come out. I say, but wait, how I really go on? You know, so when I start checking, now I check. When I check my phone, I'm gonna check my email. I see email say you receive your you just got your first paycheck from YouTube or something like that. You know, and I was like, what? Are you serious? You know, so that's when I really was like, wow, you can actually make something out of this. You know, like that's when I was like, I'm gonna start doing YouTube more now because I actually can get paid from this. You know, so that was really exciting for me, and I just started putting out videos after that. And yeah, the rest is history. Yeah, YouTube has done a lot for me as well. You know, it has helped. It's like a second job, to be honest, because it helps back up. You know, so definitely, and YouTube is a passion of mine. So it's something that I love. I love filming. I love, yeah, it's just amazing. I started out on a slow computer. Now I have a computer I can edit with smooth and all that. So, you know, I give thanks for the journey. I give thanks for the continuous support, you know what I mean? Yeah, YouTube is not for the weak though, let me tell you that, because people make you feel like you're the worst. People put you down. People, yeah, will accuse you. People assume things. People, you know, it's just one of them places that the internet is a dangerous world, you know what I mean? Yeah, it has its good and it has its bad, you see me? So it's just you have to know what you want and, you know how to go around it. Yeah, so with that being said, hope you all enjoy this video, and give thanks again, my beautiful people, and stay tuned for new content. Silent Boy signing out. Blessings all the time.